The BMW M3 G80, launched in 2020, brings with it a level of performance and driving excitement that only BMW's M division can deliver. Featuring a powerful turbocharged engine, refined suspension, and a host of modern tech, the G80 M3 has quickly become one of the most sought-after sports sedans in the world. However, despite its impressive performance and engineering, even the M3 G80 isn't immune to problems. If you're considering buying a used M3 or already own one, it's essential to understand the common issues and know how to identify them early. In this video, we'll explore the top 10 problems with the BMW M3 G80 and how to spot them. 10. Overheating issues with the turbocharged engine. One of the most common issues with the BMW M3 G80's turbocharged engine is overheating, especially under heavy load or aggressive driving. While the M3 is built to handle high-performance driving, extended periods of high revs or track use can cause the engine to run hotter than it should. Overheating can lead to a reduction in engine power, and if left unchecked, may damage vital components like the turbochargers and intercoolers. If you notice that the engine temperature gauge is consistently running high, or if the car starts to lose power and struggles to maintain acceleration, there could be an issue with cooling. Another sign could be a noticeable drop in performance after long, high-speed drives, indicating that the engine is not cooling efficiently. Keeping an eye on engine temperature, especially when driving aggressively, can help prevent severe damage. 9. Transmission and drivetrain problems. The BMW M3 G80 uses an 8-speed automatic transmission that offers quick gear shifts and smooth performance. However, there have been reports of issues with the transmission, especially in the early models. Problems include rough shifting, hesitation, and in some cases, complete failure to shift into gears. These transmission issues can be especially noticeable when accelerating or during low-speed driving. A common sign of a transmission problem is hesitation or jerky movements when shifting gears. You might also hear unusual noises coming from the drivetrain, such as whining or grinding. If you experience a delay in gear changes or find that the car is struggling to shift, it's important to get the transmission checked out as soon as possible. 8. Brake issues. The B7. Suspension problems. The suspension system of the BMW M3 G80 is engineered to provide an exceptional balance of comfort and performance. However, over time, the suspension components can wear out, especially if the car is regularly driven aggressively or on rough roads. Common issues include worn-out bushings, damaged shocks, and issues with the adaptive dampers. If you experience excessive bouncing, knocking sounds, or unusual vibrations while driving, especially when taking corners at high speeds, your suspension system could be in need of attention. Additionally, if you notice uneven tire wear, it could be a sign that the suspension is misaligned or not functioning properly. Regular inspections of the suspension system can help prevent more serious issues down the line. 6. Oil leaks and oil consumption. Although the BMW M3 G80's engine is built for performance, it can suffer from oil leaks and excessive oil consumption. The most common places for oil to leak from are the valve cover gaskets and the oil filter housing. In addition to leaks, the engine can burn oil more quickly than expected, particularly under heavy load or frequent high-rev driving. If you notice an oily residue around the engine bay, especially near the gaskets, or if you find puddles of oil under the car, it could be a sign of a leak. You should also monitor your oil levels, as excessive consumption can lead to engine damage. A sharp increase in oil consumption, along with smoke from the exhaust, should be addressed immediately by a professional mechanic. 5. Electrical system malfunctions. The BMW M3 G80 features a sophisticated electrical system that controls everything from the infotainment system to advanced driver assistance features. However, like many modern vehicles, the M3 G80 can experience electrical issues. Common problems include malfunctioning infotainment systems, issues with the BMW iDrive system, and problems with sensors or warning lights. If you notice that your infotainment screen is freezing, the iDrive controller isn't responding, or warning lights appear on the dashboard without a clear explanation, you could be dealing with an electrical fault. Additionally, Faulty sensors, such as parking sensors or lane assist, may cause intermittent problems with the car's active safety features. Pay attention to any electronic system failures, as they can impact the overall driving experience. 4. Turbocharger and boost issues. The BMW M3 G80's turbocharged engine is one of the key features that gives it its impressive power, but turbocharging can also be a source of trouble. Over time, the turbochargers can develop issues, including worn bearings, excessive shaft play, or damage to the boost control valves. This can result in a loss of power, poor acceleration, or even engine misfires. If you notice a significant decrease in acceleration, unusual noises such as whistling or whirring sounds, or if the car seems to struggle to build boost, the turbochargers may be malfunctioning. A check engine light related to turbo boost pressure or turbocharger efficiency can also indicate a problem. Regular maintenance, including checking the turbochargers for wear, can help prevent serious damage. 3. Exhaust system problems. The exhaust system of the BMW M3 G80, including its catalytic converters and exhaust pipes, can face problems over time. Clogged catalytic converters, exhaust leaks, or faulty oxygen sensors can all lead to poor engine performance, reduced fuel efficiency, and increased emissions. Additionally, exhaust-related issues can trigger warning lights on the dashboard. Signs of exhaust system problems include loud or irregular engine noises, a noticeable drop in engine performance, or a smell of gas or burnt fuel. If your M3's engine is running rough, or if you notice an unusual amount of exhaust smoke or a reduction in fuel economy, it's a good idea to have the exhaust system checked. Clutch and gearbox problems. Manual transmission. For those who opt for the manual transmission in the BMW M3 G80, there are reports of clutch and gearbox issues. Problems can include slipping of the clutch, difficulty engaging gears, or issues with the gearbox itself. These issues are more likely to occur in cars that are driven aggressively or frequently used in heavy traffic. Signs of clutch problems include a slipping or weak clutch pedal, difficulty shifting gears, or grinding noises when changing gears. If the clutch seems unresponsive or if you notice that the car struggles to engage certain gears, it's crucial to get it checked by a mechanic. The manual gearbox is a key part of the M3 driving experience, so keeping it in top condition is essential. 1. Cooling system failures. The cooling system in the BMW M3 G80 is designed to keep the engine and other vital components at optimal temperatures during performance driving. However, as with any high-performance car, the cooling system can sometimes fail, leading to overheating or engine damage. Problems can arise in the radiator, water pump, or cooling hoses, which can cause coolant leaks or system failure. If you notice that the engine is running hot or if the temperature gauge is rising into the red zone, it could indicate a failure in the cooling system. Leaks in the radiator or coolant hoses are another sign to watch for. Pay attention to any puddles of coolant under the car or unusual smells from the engine bay, as these are signs that the cooling system needs immediate attention. The BMW M3 G80 is a performance car that sets the bar for sports sedans. However, like any high-performance vehicle, it's not without its issues. From engine overheating to turbocharger failures and electrical malfunctions, understanding these common problems will help you identify them early and keep your M3 running smoothly. Whether you're a proud owner or looking to buy one, staying on top of these potential issues ensures that you get the most out of this incredible machine. Always keep up with regular maintenance and be proactive in addressing any signs of trouble to keep your M3 G80 performing at its best. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth content on car maintenance, common issues, and expert tips. Stay tuned for more.